Subscribe the HN Studio channel and press the bell icon for future updates.
What's up guys, HN Styles here from HN Studio. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to touch someone's face. So without wasting of any time, let's get started. Open a photo of someone you'd like to use for this project. Then select your spot healing brush tool. Now use your right or left bracket keys to resize your brush. Then brush over the blemishes. Now press Ctrl and Command J to make a copy of your layer. Now go to Filter, Blur, and Surface Blur. Use Radius and Threshold slider to make your subject's face soft and blur as you like. Now add a layer mask. Make sure if your foreground and background color aren't respectively black and white, then press D on your keyboard. Now press Alt and Option plus Delete to make your layer mask black. Now open your brush tool and brush picker. Select this brush and go back. Now press X to make white your foreground color. Now brush over the skin. Now as you guys can see, we have retouched our subject's face. So that's all for now. Meet you in another video. So till then, keep smiling and be happy.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.